If you're a carpet cleaner who's struggling with what to post on your Facebook page, then stick around and watch the rest of this video. My name is Reuben with BookCleaningJobs.com. We help carpet cleaners book more jobs. And today I'm going to show you how to write a social media post for your carpet cleaning business. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a free resource to help you out with your social media strategy. So make sure you stick around for that. But let's head on over to the 24/7 marketing dashboard, which is a tool that we use here at Book Cleaning Jobs to help our clients with their social media. And I'm going to show you how to write a really simple social media post so that you can fill up your Facebook page with new posts every single week. So I'm going to click the compose button here and we'll just write a quick post and pretend that we are this carpet cleaning company. I'm going to schedule this to Facebook only. If you are using the 24/7 marketing dashboard, which is available to our clients at Book Cleaning Jobs, you can also get a free trial if you head over to bookcleaningJobs.com. So feel free to go and grab a free trial of this if you want to try out this tool. You don't need to have any kind of a special tool to write and schedule posts on your Facebook page, though. You can do it with the Facebook app on your phone, on your iPad. You can do it with Facebook.com. So you don't need any special software. You don't need this tool in order to write Facebook posts. I'm just using it for demonstration purposes because we tend to use it a lot here and I'm just used to it. First thing you're going to do is you're going to call out to people in your local area. And when I say local area, I mean the area that you serve. If you're a local carpet cleaner, you probably serve people in a certain city, in a certain county, in a certain region. So call out to those people. In this case, we're going to call out to people in Scottsdale, Arizona. We're going to say, hey, Scottsdale homeowners. And I've included a little house emoji. I like to use emojis in social posts because they're eye-catching and they'll help you get a little bit more engagement. More people will stop and look at them versus posts that are just plain texts. Feel free to try emojis. If you feel like they're your style, use them. If you feel like they're not your style, you don't have to use them. I like to use them though. So we're going to call out, hey, Scottsdale homeowners, and then we're going to talk about their pain and suffering and the results that we get for them. Now, this is where most carpet cleaners jump in and start talking about their truck mount steam cleaning equipment and their fancy wand and everything, the best chemicals. And that's great. And some of your clients really do care about that stuff. And it does make a difference. However, most people who are looking to get their carpets cleaned or who would be susceptible to getting their carpets cleaned, right? This is Facebook that we're talking about. People are not on Facebook looking to get their carpets cleaned. People are just on Facebook scrolling. So people who are susceptible to getting their carpets cleaned, we need to dig into what their problems are. And these people, they have carpet that looks dirty and dingy and tired, and they're suffering from pet stains and odors. I used to own a carpet cleaning business, and a lot of our clients had pet stains on their carpet. So I know that pet owners are a target demographic for a lot of carpet cleaners. And you don't have to talk about pet stains and odors if you don't want to attract those types of customers, but let's just run with it for this example. So we'll say, hey, Scottsdale homeowners, are your carpets looking dirty, dingy, and tired? Are you suffering from pet stains and odors that just won't go away? Next, we're going to give them a call to action. And we're going to say, call AZ Same Day Service Carpet Care for a free quote. We're going to give them the phone number. That's not their real phone number, obviously. And then we're going to put in a website. I like to put in the website URL because you want to send people over to your website whenever possible and let them read more about your business. And then if you're doing any kind of a retargeting strategy with your paid advertising, then once people have been on your website, you can retarget them and show them ads and get them to come back and request a free quote. So I like to send people to your website whenever possible. And then this is looking a little plain. It's going to pull in a website preview here in just a second, I think. But there's a few things we could do to spice this post up a little bit. So let's go ahead and add in some bullet points. I like to add bullet points. And if you want to use emojis, again, I think they look great. We'll add in some bullet points talking about the area that we serve, serving Scottsdale, Phoenix, and more. Pet stain and odor removal. We mentioned pet stains and odors up here, so let's make sure we mention that we can do pet stain and odor removal, and we provide fast free quotes. Now, these bullet points, you can really say anything here, 100% satisfaction guaranteed, open 7 days a week, open 5 days a week. The area that you serve, you can talk about the services you offer. You can talk about your service guarantee. You can talk about things you offer as upsells. So protector, pet stains, carpet dyeing, carpet stretching. You can talk about anything you want in these bullet points. It's just to give people extra material to read. And then another thing I like to do, and this is optional, I like to add some hashtags to the end of the post. And this just helps make your posts more searchable. And if your page is public and somebody clicks on the hashtag carpet cleaning in your area, they might have a chance of seeing your post. So I use hashtags for things like the city that you're located in, the service that you offer. And I just find those helpful. And it's a best practice on some other social platforms. So we carry that over to Facebook as well. Now I like to upload an image as well. So let's go ahead and do that. And there we go. Beautiful. Hey, Scottsdale homeowners, are your carpets looking dirty, dingy, and tired? Are you suffering from pet stains and odors that just won't go away? Call AZ Same Day Service Carpet Care for a free quote or visit our website at azsameday.com. Serving Scottsdale, Phoenix, and more. Pet stain and odor removal. Fast, free quotes. Got some hashtags, and we got a nice before and after photo. This post looks excellent. If I wanted to go ahead and post it, I could publish it immediately. If I wanted to schedule it for a future date and time, then I could just schedule it for, let's say, this Friday at 3:30 p.m., and then we could hit schedule. So that's all you really need to do to write social media posts. Just call out to your audience, dig into their pain, talk about the results that they're looking for, give them a call to action, a way to contact you, your phone number, your website. You could ask them to message you on Facebook. You could ask them to leave a comment. You could ask them to contact you on WhatsApp, however you'd like them to contact you, text message. I like to use bullet points. Don't feel like you have to, but I like bullet points because I think they help fill out the post. And I like to use emojis as well because I think they're eye-catching. And then I also like to use hashtags. Again, that's optional. I would add images to every single post that you do. And if possible, use a different image every time so that your page is always full of new and interesting imagery. If you're out in the field, it's pretty easy to get pictures of the work that you're doing and post it on a regular basis. Just if you have an iPhone, create a special folder in your photos for carpet cleaning pictures. You could even make it a shared folder if you have other people working with you, and you guys could share, you guys and gals could share a shared folder of pictures from carpet cleaning jobs you're doing, and that will give you stuff to post on your social media. I'm going to go ahead and discard that draft right now. I don't want to post that for this cleaner, but let me give you a couple of other examples of posts that you could do. You could use things like testimonials. If you have reviews from customers that are really good, take those, use those in your social media posts. You can link to different pages on your site. You don't have to link to your homepage all the time. You could link to other pages on your site. You could just write a block of text asking people if they've noticed that their furniture is feeling grimy and discolored. Then you could recommend that they get their upholstery cleaned, right? There's all kinds of stuff you could promote. If you do tile cleaning, you could do tile cleaning posts. You can do before and after pictures. I love before and after pictures. Who else wants to eliminate ugly stains and unpleasant odors from their area rugs, right? So just have fun with it. Right? Just get in the habit of writing short little posts that call out to an audience, that include a call to action. If you have social proof, like awards that you've won, badges that you've earned, certifications that you've earned, testimonials, reviews from your customers, a number of reviews or a certain star count, like let's say you have 300 reviews and 5 stars on Google or 100 reviews and 4.9 stars on Yelp, you could mention all of those things in your posts. And yeah, just get in the habit of posting regularly. As you post regularly, you'll get better at this. It'll be more natural to you, and it'll be a lot easier for you to do. If you want to make it easier, you could leverage some scheduling software like the 24/7 marketing dashboard. Like I said, that's available at bookcleaningjobs.com. But I really wanted to make this as easy as possible for you to get into social media. So what I've done is I put together a social media swipe file that's got an entire year's worth of social media posts, 52 weeks of copy and paste social media content for a carpet cleaning business. You can go and grab a free copy of this. It's at bookcleaningjobs.com/52weeks social. Okay. bookcleaningjobs.com/52weeks social. I'm going to give you an entire year of social media content in this swipe file. Here's what it looks like. After you request the swipe file, you're going to get a copy of this spreadsheet. Inside the spreadsheet, it gives you a couple of sample posting schedules. If you want to post 3 days a week, 5 days a week, or 7 days a week, there's schedules that you can follow. And then there's tabs full of templates that you can use to make posting in your carpet cleaning business as easy as possible. So head on over to bookcleaningjobs.com/52weeks social to grab a copy of that. Drop a like if this video was helpful, and hit subscribe if you want to grow your carpet cleaning business. Leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. My name is Reuben with bookcleaningjobs.com. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.